Hello everyone. So in this session we will have the important questions of chapter number 3, Animal Kingdom. Just note down. I'll keep on telling the questions. So I have written on the board as revision. So this is the revision class of chapter 3 known as Animal Kingdom. Okay. The first thing is I'm going to dictate 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Okay, so keep on writing the 1 mark questions. The first question is what is body symmetry? Second is what is coelom? What is tissue level of organization? One more important thing I want to tell you, if you find difficult to find the answer of any of the question, please message me. I'll answer to the questions. The third question is what is tissue level of organization? Fourth, what is organ level of organization? What is incomplete digestive system? Next, what is mesoglia? Next, what is pseudocoelom? Next, from which germinal layer notochord is derived? From which germinal layer? The answer for this question is mesoderm. From the mesoderm, which is a middle layer or second layer of organisms, through this mesoderm, the notochord differentiate, notochord develop. What is notochord? Which group of animal are called sponges? Each and every question, if you read out these questions, you can able to write the test. Which group of animal are called sponges? Write an example of an primitive multicellular level of organization. For this, answer is sponges. It is known as primitive level of organization, primitive multicellular level of organization. Next is what are ostia? Ostia. So these are the minute pores present on the body surface. What is osculum? Next is what are choanocytes? CHOANOCYTES. Choanocytes. Name the skeleton support of sponge body. Name the skeleton. You have to name the. You have to write the skeleton of sponges. So what is that? It is spicule. What type of symmetry can be seen in sponges? Next question. What are cnidocytes or cnidoblasts? What are cnidocytes or cnidoblasts? This is it. Next question. Name the cell which has stinging capsule. Name the cell which has stinging capsule. Stinging capsule. What is hypostome? Name the hard calcareous skeleton of cnidarians. Answer is coral. Corals. Coral. Define polyp. 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 Polyp is a sexually reproduced body form in Coelenterata, phylum Coelenterata. Next is define medusae. Define medusae. Which animal is called Portuguese man of war? Portuguese man of war. Which animal is called sea pen? SEA. Sea pen. Write the scientific name of sea fan. Which animal phylum is called sea walnuts or comb jellies? Next question. What is the function of hooks and suckers? What is the function of hooks and suckers? In which platyhelminthes form hooks and suckers are present? For this, answer is parasitic form. Which member of platyhelminthes has high capacity of regeneration? Which level of body organization is seen in Aschelminthes? Level of body organization. In Aschelminthes, it is organ level of body or organ system level of body organization. Organ system level of body organization possess the Aschelminthes phylum. What is the nature of pharynx in roundworm? Muscular pharyngitis. Which worm is called WORM? Worm is called filarial worm. FILARIAL. Filarial worm. Which worm is called book? Which worm is called? It's not book, it's hookworm. 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 What are metameres? Write an example for aquatic Annelida. Write the scientific name of blood-sucking leech. Scientific name is Hirudinaria, my dear students. 2/3 of known animal species on earth belongs to which phylum? What is the nature of exoskeleton that covers the body of an arthropoda? Nature of exoskeleton means it is made of which chemical component? So you have to write chitinous exoskeleton. Name the excretory structure of arthropoda. Excretory structure of arthropoda is Malpighian tubules. Name a gregarious pest of arthropoda. Gregarious pest is Locusta. Name an arthropoda which is called living fossil. The answer is Lemulus, king crab. What is mantle? M-A-N-T-L-E. A soft spongy layer of skin is known as mantle. In which phylum larva has bilateral symmetry while the adult has radial symmetry? In which phylum do you see the larvals are bilateral symmetry and adults are radial symmetry? The Echinodermata phylum, my dear students. The starfishes can cut into two equal halves from any plane, but their larva, if we want to take the section, we have to take a particular plane so that we will get a two equal halves. Which echinoderm is called sea urchin? SEACURCHIN, sea urchin. What is radula? RADULA. Radula. A rasping organ which is present in mouth is known as radula. What is the function of radula? What are oviparous animals? Next question, one more question. What is the general body form of hemichordate? General body form of hemichordata is a worm-like marine form they are. Name the excretory structure of hemichordata. Excretory structure is proboscis gland. What type of circulation is found in hemichordata? Type of circulation, it is open type of circulation. So next is, what is two mark question? Now we are going to see the 2 mark questions. So next is first one. Name the 2 types of circulation found in animals. 2 types of circulation. Define asymmetry with an example. What are diploblastic animals? Give an example. Define metamerism. Give an example. Next question. Name the levels of animal classification based on body symmetry. Levels of animal classification based on body symmetry. Define hermaphrodite with an example. Name the 2 basic body forms of cnidarians. What is bioluminescence? Give an example. What are endoparasite? Give an example. What is the common name of Taenia solium and Fasciola hepatica? Let me write that. Taenia solium, Taenia solium, Osceola hepatica. So that is the next question. The next question is, name the sensory structures of arthropoda. Name any two economically important insects. What is the function of water vascular system? Water vascular function you have to write two. You can write water vascular system helps in body locomotion. It also helps in capturing and transporting the food, and it also helps in the respiration, body organism or the animal respire with the water vascular system. What is hemocoel? Write two examples. So, in some animals, the actual or true coelom. So, coelom means body cavity. True coelom is get reduced. It means it is not in a working position, but space between visceral rows and form a large cavity with blood. It is called as hemocoel. I'll repeat one more time. In some animals like arthropoda and mollusca, the actual and true coelom is reduced, but space between viscera means visceral organs grows and form a large cavity with blood. So that space with the blood is known as a hemocoel. This kind of hemocoels found in the phylum Arthropoda and Mollusca. Next, 3-mark questions. 3-mark now. List out 8 important characteristic features of phylum Porifera. Explain the different types of body coelom. Explain the different types of body coelom. One is acoelom, pseudocoelom, and eucoelom. You just write acoelom and pseudocoelom and coelom. These 3 types I explained in the class. So you write those 3 and just give a small explanation for these. Next question is, write the differentiating characteristics between notochord and write the differentiating characteristics between chordata and non-chordata. Just erase that notochord. Chordata and non-chordata. Give the difference between Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Write the salient features of vertebrata. So next, 5-mark questions carrying 5 mark. Bring out the general characters of phylum Platyhelminthes. You have to write the characteristic features of phylum Platyhelminthes. Write the general characters of phylum Mollusca. Mention any 5 fundamental characters of chordata. List the characteristic features of class Amphibia. whenever I explain the question, or when I read the question, like write the general characters of class Amphibia or phylum Platyhelminthes. After writing the characters, you have to write the example of the phylum. Okay, don't forget that. List the general characters of class Reptilia, reptiles. In the last session, I explained about that. No. So next, list the general characters of class Mammalia. So you have to write all these questions. Don't draw the diagrams. You have to write the theory, only theory. So diagrams doesn't carry any marks. Okay. So if you have any doubt, if you find difficulty to find the answer of any of the question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you.